The reason it's called transparent liquid soap is because it is actually transparent. And if you make your liquid soap and it is not this transparent, it means you're not doing it the right way. Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Clara and this is Clara's Corner. Thank you, my beautiful people, for always coming back to watch my video. My new subscribers here, you are also welcome. Always come back to watch my video. You will learn one or two things. In today's video, I want to show you guys how I mix my color and fragrance into my soap, because in the previous video I posted, some people were asking me for they asked me to make video on how I mix my color, because the previous video my color and fragrance did not show well. I didn't know my camera wasn't capturing it. I decided to make this video for that purpose. So guys, you can see my soap I made yesterday that stayed for 24 hours. I am quickly transferring it into a bigger bowl where I can mix the color and fragrance. This is the soap I made yesterday with just 3 ingredients: SLS, Texapon, and salt. These 3 ingredients are what I use to combine together and make this soap. I kept for 24 hours and it became totally clear and transparent. So today, what I am going to do is to mix my color and fragrance into the soap. Here is the color I'm using. I'm using the yellow color. This is the color I used in the previous soap making I posted. Today again, I'm going to use the same yellow color because this color is a color that most people love. When you want to sell this product, most people love to go for this color because this is the color that Morning Fresh carries. Because Morning Fresh is a known product, people go for their color and people love the yellow color. So how to mix the color into your soap is to get little quantity of the color that is in powdered form, add water into it, and stir very well to mix it up. Then after stirring, you pour into the bigger bowl of the main soap. After pouring, you can mix the soap very well so that the color can mix into the soap properly. You keep mixing until it is properly mixed. Also get your fragrance, get small quantity of the soap from the big bowl, add into the other smaller bowl, the white bowl, add small quantity of the fragrance, mix it, and also pour into the bigger bowl of the soap. You don't add your fragrance into the big bowl of soap. You don't add your color into the big bowl. You always mix it in a different bowl before pouring it into the bowl of the main soap. This is how to mix your fragrance and your color. In this way, you are doing the right thing. At the end of the day, your soap texture will come out well. Everything will be okay and on point. You can see how beautiful it has properly mixed. Here, the color has come out very well. And the fragrance I use is lemon color, which has lemon fragrance. It smells so nice. And the texture of this soap is also good. It's not too thick, it's not too liquidy, it's just okay. So at this point, after mixing, you're going to keep the soap for like 3 to 4 hours so that the soap will completely dissolve. I quickly transferred into this other white bowl so that I can be able to cover it, because this one has a cover while the purple bowl doesn't have a cover. So I poured it back into the white bowl so that I can be able to cover it, keep for 3 to 4 hours for the soap to dissolve completely and be good to go. Guys, after 4 hours I kept this soap. See how it came out. The soap came out so nice, very clear and transparent. The texture very okay. It's not too liquidy, it's not too thick. The soap came out very well. This is how the end point of your soap should be at the end of your production. If you make your soap and it's not this clear and it's not this, the texture is not looking like this, you did not do the right thing. Check where you must have gone wrong. Check and know where you must have gone wrong. See how nice it is in this glass cup I poured into. This soap is so nice. I'm going to bottle up for my home usage. See into the Morning Fresh container. See how it's looking like the real Morning Fresh. Yeah, this soap can go for commercial purpose. You can sell this soap to individuals, to supermarkets. This soap has the exact quality of every good liquid soap in the store. This soap can go. You can start it as a business, stay at home, produce this soap, go to where they buy containers, buy it, get your stick, go to a printer, print your sticker, put on it, make it look beautiful, package it so well. No supermarket that will need a supplier that will reject this soap. It's so nice. It foams. It has good looking quality. So guys, try out this recipe and thank me later. I'm bottling it up to keep for my home usage. This can last me for 2 months. Soap I produce with 2,500 naira can last me for 2 months. You can see how economical it is. Guys, please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Click that subscribe button. Also click the bell button so that you can get notification anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. God bless you all. Bye. See you in my next video.